So, gagawa ko ng spray sa aphids. Yan. Kilala nyo naman siguro yan, di ba? Tsaka yan. I'll see you later, guys. You see the oil? Is it oil or juice? Getting ready? Let's kill some bugs. Let's kill some bugs. Let's go, guys. Join me. So guys, good morning everyone. I made a fire water for my fruit trees foliar spray to prevent these bugs, aphids and some flies and everything that is not good for my durian trees. So let's wait 2 weeks after. The problem with the aphids, they will just transfer to another tree. I don't know. I hope this one will help prevent this sick durian to die. Maybe you can comment me also your link if you have the same problem, preventing aphids to come back, so I can visit your link. Thank you very much. Bye.